Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to do revision of English. First, this is our revision of FA1. Okay. So first you have to all know that what comes in our FA1. We have done chapter 1 and 2 in English and chapter 1, 2, 3 in English grammar. So these chapters are coming in your FA1. Okay. So this is your English grammar book and this is your English book. So in English book there will be 2 chapters in FA1 and there are 3 chapters in English grammar. Okay. So this is a revision. This you have to do in your English copy only. Okay. This work you have to do in your English copy only. I have made some questions from all these chapters. First go through the chapter, learn that, then solve it. Okay. First you have to learn that. You have to go through the chapters. How many chapters? There are 5 chapters. 2 in English, 3 in English grammar. Okay. So there is first question number 1. Tick right the correct answer. There are 2 options in front of me and in front of you. There are 2 options, that is A and B. That whatever option is right you have to put tick. Okay. So first is the wind is never seen or felt. Seen. Wind is never seen. Okay. We don't see on the road. Train or bus. What we don't see on the road? Of course train. Train is runs on track, but bus is runs on road. Word power. This is also in English. Word power. What is the meaning of build? Build is make. What is the meaning of build? Build is make. Second, busy. Busy means full of traffic according to chapter number 2. Full of traffic. This is question number 3. Tick right the cross and tick right the correct and cross the wrong statement. With that statement that is right we will put tick and that statement that is wrong we will cross. Okay. We should play on the roads. We should play on the road. No, of course we should not play on the road. Where we should play? We should play in the garden, in the ground, in the park. Okay. Second, we should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, where we should cross the road? We should cross the road at zebra crossing. So these are the questions are from English, but upcoming questions is from English grammar. So learn also that English grammar course chapter 1, 2, 3. But this complete work you have to do in your English copy. Okay. Rearrange the group of words into meaningful sentences. We have some sentences that you have to rearrange in sentences. These are not sentences, these are words because that are not meaningful. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So there are words but it not makes complete sense, so these are not sentences. Okay. So there are some words. Your name is what? How we make sentence? First letter is always capital and with full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, whatever. Okay. So your name is what? So first we will put what? WHAT. First letter is capital. What is your name? And it is interrogative sentence. So we will put question mark. What is your name? It is a sentence. It makes complete sense. A good dancer is Tanya. It is group of words, not a sentence because it not makes complete sense. A good dancer is Tanya. So Tanya, first letter is capital. In always in sentence there is first letter is capital. Tanya is a good dancer. It is imperative sentence, so we will put full stop. Question number 5. Add subject to the given predicates. We have to put subjects. Now what is subject and what is predicate? There are two types of sentences. There are two parts of sentences, subjects and predicates. What is subject? Subjects that we are talking about, and what we are talking about, subject, that is predicate. Okay. So dash is ship of desert. What animal is called ship of desert? Camel. Camel is called ship of desert. Dash is my best friend. Whoever is your best friend, write the name. My best friend is Preeti. Okay. Your best friend is Shalu, write them. Your best friend is Aman, write them. Whoever is your best friend, write the name. Okay. So these are subjects, and we are talking about subject, that is our predicate. Now question number 6 to 8, this is your homework. It is done by yourself in English copy. Question number 6, make picture of traffic lights. So traffic lights के हमें पिक्चर मेक करनी है. You should color on it, make properly, beautifully. There are 3 traffic lights, red, yellow, green. Red tell us to stop, yellow tell us to wait, and green tell us to go. So make the picture of traffic lights. Okay. Question number 7, which colorful object can be seen in the sky? Question number 8, what is the most important rule of the road? We already done this. So learn that and write that. Okay. So these are the solved, but these are unsolved. So you have to do it by yourself. Okay. This work you have to do in English. First learn the complete course, then do it. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.